Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Catanica. Today we have this beautiful old Elzett Tutius padlock from 60s. It's in pretty nice condition. 5-pinner. Here are the keys. Original keys. The bitting is nothing special, but it is what it is. It's very rare padlock to find today. So it's working. It's locking pawl, so it's not shimmable. This key, however, doesn't work perfectly, but this one does, and there is a locking pawl. Pretty rusty, but for a really old lock, it's normal to have rust on it. It's not worn out, but it's in better days. So let's see what it takes to pick it open. I'm going to use this tension wrench, thick tension wrench, which fits perfectly, and I'm going to use this homemade city rake to gain full set pretty quickly. And here it is, full set I have. Now let's try with this short hook. Pretty light tension. First is set. Third springy, fourth springy, fifth springy. I think the second one, yes, we dropped to a deeper full set. Now let's see the fifth one. Where is the fifth one? Here it is. Counter rotation on 5. Again springy. Something dropped. Again full set. I'm not touching something that needs to be pushed together to the shear line. One more. Again nothing. Something is constantly back. Again full set. I think it's a 5th pin. I can't feel it. Let's try with this hook. Counter rotation 5. Again, like in this Russian lock, I'm not touching something. It's really close to an end, but something isn't correctly set. Again full set, deep full set. Man, this is harder than I thought. There it is. We got this open. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.